Hey, what's up everyone? It is Thais here. So today I will be showing you all how I detangle and stretch my new growth now that I am 6 months post relaxer. So the first thing I'm doing right here is separating a small amount of Jamaican black castor oil, enough that I'm going to be using for the day because I don't want to store it in the plastic for too long, because plastic actually makes your oils go bad fast. So starting with freshly shampooed and deep conditioned hair, I am sectioning my hair into 3 sections, which is how I will be working with my hair today. So the first thing I do is make sure that I moisturize my hair, and I'm using the Novix Mystic Black leave-in conditioner. My hair absolutely loves this leave-in conditioner now. And yeah, so I make sure I part my hair off into like 1-inch sections just to make sure that my new growth is properly moisturized, since I will be using heat. And I am very generous with this product on my new growth because I want it to be like super moisturized. And then I go around my edges to make sure everything is moisturized properly. And of course I moisturize the length of my hair, my relaxed hair. So after my hair is properly moisturized, it's time to seal in all of that moisture. So my natural hair absolutely loves Jamaican black castor oil. It is the only oil that leaves my new growth super soft and buttery, and it is super thick and heavy. So I go back in those 1-inch sections and apply the Jamaican black castor oil to my new growth, as well as the demarcation line and my edges. And then for my relaxed hair, since the Jamaican black castor oil is too thick for it, I use some jojoba oil on the length of my relaxed hair to seal in the moisture there. And to be honest, I'm very heavy-handed with the Jamaican black castor oil since I won't be using a heat protectant. And this is the part where I detangle my hair in sections, and I made sure I didn't edit or speed up this part because I want to show you guys how easily my hair detangles at 6 months post. This is amazing. This is like a miracle, guys. So watch how easily I can detangle from the ends to the new growth. And this is my first time detangling my hair since I rinsed out my deep conditioner. So I know you guys can see how easily my hair is detangling. The comb is just gliding from my new growth to my ends like butter. It's just so amazing. I'm so happy. But yeah, this is how I detangle my hair every week, and I get like these predictable results. I'm just so happy because I thought it would be like a mess by now. So after my hair is thoroughly detangled, now it's time for me to stretch my new growth. So this technique has been doing wonders for my hair journey right now, being that I am 6 months post. So I just take a small section and I apply some tension to my hair, pulling it down, and then I just blow dry it. So as you can see, I am shaking the blow dryer and moving the blow dryer. I don't hold the blow dryer in one spot for too long, just to avoid overheating my hair. And this is how it looks after I did the tension method. This method helps me to comb my hair at ease throughout the week. It also helps me to retain a massive amount of moisture in my hair. Like my hair is moisturized for like up to day 4 after my wash day when using this. And I can also do a lot of styles with my hair. I can put my hair in a ponytail. I can braid my hair with ease. I can basically do anything with my hair. So this is what works for me at this time, and I am loving it. And if my hair gets too dry, I just dampen it with the water so that I can allow it to stretch further, and I just repeat the same process in 1-inch sections until I am done with that entire section. So this is what it looks like. It's so soft, it's so manageable. I just wish you guys can feel my hair through the computer screen. It's just so nice. And I don't blow dry my relaxed hair. I only do my new growth. I just allow my ends to air dry. And the last thing I do is put the blow dryer on cool setting, and I run it down the length of my hair as well as the new growth, just to lock it into that smooth state, close down the cuticles, allow it to stay smoother longer. And this is how easily my hair combs. And right after I do this technique, I immediately braid my hair down with a little bit of tension, just to lock it into that smooth state even longer. And I wear my hair like this overnight. So after I do this process, my hair usually stays stretched until my next wash day, which is a week later. And I repeat the same process on the other section on the other side. So I know I'm going to be getting a lot of questions like, why don't you use a heat protectant? Oh my goodness, why are you not using a heat protectant? But I find that using a heat protectant, because it's filled with a lot of silicones, and a heat protectant is known to like lock out moisture and all of that good stuff. I find that my hair gets super dry, and then when I go to like use my moisturizer and my oils in the middle of the week, they don't work. Instead, my new growth is super dry because the silicones is just blocking everything out. And then on my next wash day, when I go to use my conditioners and my deep conditioners, it starts to act funny because the silicones, like I said, is blocking everything out. So that happened because I use a sulfate-free shampoo. So I don't want to end up using a sulfate shampoo on my hair weekly, because my new growth gets super dried out and tangled when I use a sulfate shampoo. So that is why I avoid the heat protectant. And I just find that once your hair is properly deep conditioned and you put some type of product on it, a heavy layer of moisturizer and an oil, that is enough protectant from the heat. Plus, I'm using the blow dryer on a warm setting. It's not like I'm using a hot setting, and it's not like I'm flat ironing my hair. So I don't think it will affect me. So I just wanted to explain to you all why I'm not using one. And right here I am in the back section, and I do this back section all together. I was doing it in 4 sections, but that was just too time consuming. So yeah, this take a lot less time by just doing it straight across. And I repeat the same exact process, as you guys can see. So in the back, I braid the back in 2 sections just to make sure it is properly stretched. And I sleep with my hair like this overnight. And my wash day is finally complete. This new technique has taken so much more time on my wash day, but I just love doing my hair, so I don't really mind. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a rating, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you to all who subscribe and comment and support my channel. Thank you guys so much. Bye bye.